Welcome to the walk. Today we are going to reach Castle Peak, 583 meters above sea level. There are different routes to get up there. Today we are taking off from San Shek Wan Road next to Tuen Mun Golf Centre. From our starting point, we can clearly see the Castle Peak summit up where we are heading. Up the stairs and along mostly concrete path, passing the Tsing Shan River, we will make a left turn at the Castle Peak Path pavilion. Thereafter, the 400 plus meters straight up is by and large steps followed by rocky climbs. Unfortunately, some tall vegetation block a bit of our views on the path. Still, what we can see through the gaps are stunning. Once we reach the summit, nothing gets in our way. Severe loss of vegetation and weathering of its granite surface has made the Castle Peak and the sub-peaks within the Castle Peak Hinterland unique, and that offers a spectacular scenery with the backdrop of Shenzhen Bay, Shenzhen Bay Bridge, and Shenzhen Town. Within the Castle Peak Hinterland, Lo Shan or Pineapple Hill and Tuen Mun Grand Canyon are frequently visited by hikers. On the other side, we will find the residential buildings below our feet form an alternative yet magnificent picture. There are two transmitting stations and a triangulation point on the top of Castle Peak. The two stations are approximately 200 meters apart, while the Trig point is located at the northern end, approximately another 200 meters away. We had stayed on the top for about 15 minutes while we were admiring the impressive views all round. A helicopter came and landed on the helipad on the peak. Not sure what the mission was. It took off as we got close. We will follow the same path down, except we will turn left at the Castle Peak Path pavilion towards the Tsing Shan Monastery. As sunset was approaching, the golden shade adds extra light to the landscape downward. Tsing Shan Monastery Path will lead us to the main road. It took us over 3.5 hours to complete over 7 kilometers, reached 583 meters. Let's enjoy the walk. Hope you enjoyed the walk as much as I did. Have a great day ahead.